BlockFi Credit Card App. The pros, the cons. The BlockFi Credit Card app is designed to let users earn crypto rewards on everyday purchases. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's like a traditional rewards card, but the surprising truth is that BlockFi automatically converts rewards into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other supported digital assets. On the pros side, the app provides real-time tracking of spending, rewards, and balances. Users can earn up to 5% back in Bitcoin on all purchases, with no minimum spend required. Security features include two-factor authentication and fraud monitoring. The card integrates smoothly with the BlockFi account, allowing users to manage crypto balances and rewards from one interface. On the cons side, rewards are paid in crypto, so their value may fluctuate. Some fees may apply for late payments or foreign transactions. Additionally, BlockFi's card may not be accepted in all locations compared to traditional credit cards. Beginners might find managing crypto rewards alongside regular credit balances confusing at first. In conclusion, the BlockFi Credit Card app is ideal for crypto enthusiasts who want to earn digital assets while spending. While value fluctuations and fees are factors to consider, it's a practical way to integrate crypto rewards into everyday life and start building a digital asset portfolio effortlessly.